Internet money will change your life, right? Now guys, I myself used to work a 9-to-5 job back in the UK where I was working for Argos World Duty Free Sky, right? And I took the biggest risk of my life. I quit my 9-to-5 job, I moved to Dubai, and now I make well over 6 figures a year living in Dubai and being financially free, right? And now many people hire me so I can help them start their own online business where they can generate thousands and thousands of dollars all online. And in today's video, I want to talk about how internet money can truly change your life. Now guys, when I talk about internet money, what do I mean? Essentially what I'm talking about is making money online. There has never been a better time to start making money online, right? Now a lot of people are working the 9-to-5 job, they go to work, they work 40 hours a week for their boss, come home with less than 2 grand, 3 grand a month, right? Now you can't live your life like that, especially now with inflation, especially now that a normal 9-to-5 job can barely pay the bills, okay? So what you guys want to do instead is start your own online business, which is going to generate you money online, okay? Now, I'm going to talk about many different ways that you can potentially make money online, but I'm going to talk about one specific way that if you use this specific business model, it will completely change your life. Now guys, I used to do drop shipping, I used to do affiliate marketing, I even did YouTube full time, right? And I tried all of these business models, and yes, they do work. Obviously, there's many people doing it. But what I will tell you is that these business models aren't the best business models to do, okay? Now, drop shipping requires a lot of capital, you don't learn any skills, and it's very, very difficult to scale when you're trying to do it for the first time. Then you've got affiliate marketing. Again, with affiliate marketing, you need a bigger audience for you to actually truly make money from. And YouTube full time, well, it's just an overblown 9-to-5 job, because instead of one boss, you have several bosses that control you in the form of sponsorships, right? So rather than doing those business models, what business model should you guys do? Well, the best business model that you guys should do is the one skill consulting business model. Now, the one skill consulting business model allows you to basically sell one of your skills to high ticket clients online where you can generate thousands of dollars online. And it's very, very simple, guys, because you can charge, let's say 3, 4, or 5K a month for your skill, and you can literally make so much money. For example, if you charge 5K a month, you only need 2 clients to make 10K a month, right? It's as simple as that. And it's very, very simple to do. Now, just a quick one, guys. If you do need any help, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month by using the one skill consulting business model, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. Now, guys, before I break down the one skill consulting business model, I want to explain to you why you guys should now look to start an online business, okay? Because to be fair, a lot of you guys probably work a 9-to-5 job. Maybe you've got your own business, right? A physical business or something along those lines. Whatever it is that you're doing at the moment, you know it is not the way forward, because especially now, a lot of people are struggling to make money, right? In their 9-to-5 job or even a physical business, because there's so much expenses, they're struggling to survive. And it's come to a point now where inflation is so high, you need to make a lot of money just to survive. Like 2, 3 grand a month is not going to cut it anymore. 4 grand's not going to cut it anymore. Even 5 grand, even 6 grand a month, right? It's not enough money to survive in. And it's crazy because I speak to a lot of people, especially in the UK, and everyone is struggling. Everyone is finding it very difficult to survive. Everyone is hating their job, right? Everyone essentially hates their boss. And they go to work, they work 40 hours a week, and then they come home with 2 grand or 3 grand at the end of the month. And it's like, how can you guys live like this? Because I used to live like this myself, so I know I used to question these things, because I remember very vividly, I was at work in my 9-to-5 job, looking around me, everyone is in zombie mode, getting on with it. And I'm going on YouTube, right, and I see people younger than me, 20, 21, 22, living in Dubai, living in Bali, making money online, having financial freedom. And I'm thinking to myself, what is it that I'm doing wrong? How can these people who are younger than me, who barely have any life experience, right, they're able to live a life like this? And I was like, no, I can't live a life like this, right? I can't stay in my 9-to-5 job forever. So I quit my 9-to-5 job, I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. And obviously that's where you can see behind me, that's currently where I am. Now, I've lived here for the last 2 years. Life has been amazing. I have financial freedom. And this is what internet money has done for me. Internet money has single-handedly changed my life, because I went from clocking into a 9-to-5 job. I went from, going in, serving my boss essentially, right? Doing what he told me to do, coming home tired, exhausted, not to mention traffic when you're coming home, because everyone, especially in a 9-to-5 job, finishes around the same time. Then even going to work, right? Everyone goes to work at the same time. It's like, you spend maybe half an hour commuting, then you spend another half an hour commuting back, then you spend, 12 hours in your job. It's difficult, man. It's like 14 hours have just gone there, then you need 8 hours sleep, you got 2 hours to eat and all that kind of stuff. Like 24 hours just goes like that. So I couldn't live my life like this. I was like, I have to find a way out. And that's when I tried to make money online. And guys, internet money changed my life. I can wake up when I want. I don't have an alarm, right? I work for myself. I can go anywhere I want. Like, even though I live here in Dubai, I can go to another country and work, or if I want to stay here in Dubai, I can go to a beach and work, I can go to the Dubai Mall and work, I can go to Marina and work, like I can do whatever I want, right? Like life is so different. And everything has changed due to internet money. Everything has changed when I started making internet money. And this is why I'm saying to you guys, internet money will change your life, because imagine you don't have to go into work, right? Imagine you can make money from anywhere, essentially from home or from the beach or from a coffee shop or whatever, right? Imagine you can make money just from your laptop alone. You don't need to answer to a boss. You don't need to wake up to an alarm. You know, you live that laptop lifestyle. Imagine that. Imagine how amazing that must feel. And guys, I'm telling you from experience, right? I used to visualize, I used to, you know, think what it would be like to make money online and have financial freedom. It's even better when you actually achieve it. It's even better than you think. Like in your mind, it might sound amazing, it might sound good, but trust me, when you live it, it's like 100 times better, right? It's crazy. So this is what internet money will do, and this is how internet money will change your life. And that's why I'm explaining that you guys need to start making money online rather than trying to make money through a 9-to-5 job or even a physical business, okay? Now, the business model I talked about is the one skill consulting business model. Now, how does this business model actually work, right? Because a lot of people will say to me, for example, that they don't have a skill. So how can they sell their skills? Now, let me tell you guys one thing, right? Everybody has a skill, okay? This might sound crazy, but every single person has a skill. Guys, I've worked with a 16-year-old recently, right? Who's barely got any life experience. At 16, he's got a skill and he's made like 4 grand already within a few weeks of working with me. So my point is to you guys, right? You're telling me you don't have a skill, and that's fine because you assume you don't have a skill, but you do. You probably don't even realize, right? You've got a skill right now that's probably worth 10K a month, 20K a month, 30K a month, but you just don't know about it, okay? So you need to identify what skill you're good at. And guys, I help with this in my program, by the way, where I work with you on a one-to-one basis, help you identify a skill, help you package it into an offer, and help you sell it online so you can generate 10K a month. Now guys, if you are interested and you do want a mentor, you want someone that can hold your hand and help you start this business model from scratch, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? But guys, find a skill. The best way to find a skill, right? Find out what people come to you for the most. So, for example, back in the day, a lot of people when it came to technology used to come to me because they couldn't fix it themselves, right? Or when it came to social media, or when it came to like, you know, creating designs or, you know, stuff like that, right? I was always good at that. So obviously in my business now, I use these things, right? But the point I'm trying to make is that you've got to find what skill you're good at, what you can actually help people with. Now, I'll give you some examples of some clients and even some people in the industry. So for example, there's a woman in the industry teaching people how to knit, right? Now, me and you can both agree that knitting isn't a high level skill, okay? But she makes just under 20 grand a month from this program. There's another person teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol. He makes around 160K a month. There's also some of my clients, for example, I've got a 16-year-old, as I mentioned, who helps people start their own faceless YouTube channel. He's generating around 5K a month at the moment. I've had another client who was 21 years old within his first YouTube video, made 25 grand, which is absolutely unreal. And he helped people start their own marketing agency. I've had another client who got over 180 book calls in a month and generated thousands of dollars, which was also insane. And he helped first-time buyers through buying their first property. I had another client who was helping businesses get clients. He generated £6,000 in a single day. Guys, there are so many niches out there, right? You've just got to find a skill that you're good in and you can make money. Because again, if someone teaching knitting can make 20 grand a month, then it doesn't matter what skill you've got really, as long as you position yourself in the market, you can truly make some good life-changing money. Now, once you've identified a skill, the next thing that you need to do is package it into an offer, okay? So all you've got to do is get your skill, okay? Find out exactly who your ICP is, put a price tag on it, right? And make sure it's high ticket. High ticket is anything over $2,000. And then you've got to identify your deliverables, right? So how are you going to deliver this value? Is it going to be coaching calls? Is it going to be a course? Is it going to be a combination of both? Is it going to be group coaching? Whatever it is, right? You've got to identify exactly how you're going to deliver this value. Then all you've got to do is create organic content, right? Like YouTube and Instagram, and then you start attracting clients to your landing page where they then book in a call with you, okay? Now, obviously, there's much more to this process, right? But I kind of broke it down for you exactly how this one skill consulting business model works. Now, if you are interested and you do want to work with someone that can help you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month by using this business model, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what I'll do is jump on a call and show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? But guys, this one skill consulting business model will completely change your life. Internet money will change your life. And you guys need to start making the intention that instead of working your 9-to-5 job, you're going to now chase internet money. Because internet money alone can single-handedly make you rich, can make you successful, can give you freedom. So you can live maybe in the city of your dreams or the country of your dreams and have freedom, right? Because guys, at the end of the day, money is good, right? You want to make 10K a month, 20K a month, whatever it is. The money is good, but what money allows you to have is freedom. And that's what we all should be chasing, right? Because at the end of the day, a 9-to-5 job is going to keep you trapped. It's going to put you in a position where you have to listen to your boss. You can't take leave when you want, right? It's all controlled. You're basically a slave to the company. So what you need to do is find a way to escape the system. And the best way to escape the system is by hiring a mentor, doing the one skill consulting business model, and it will completely change your life. Whether you hire someone else or whether you hire me, the main point is hire a mentor, learn exactly what it is that you need to do, and then just take action. And again, as I mentioned, the link is in the description if you want to work with me. And also guys, if you do want more information on how this business model works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.